In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a trend line on MetaTrader 5. This is a very simple but powerful tool that can help you quickly see the direction of the market and potential areas of support and resistance. Even though the steps are short, I'll walk you through them slowly and clearly so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, make sure you already have MetaTrader 5 open and that a chart is visible on your screen. You can use any symbol or time frame you like, such as a currency pair on the 1 hour chart or a stock on the daily chart. It doesn't matter which one you choose. The process for drawing a trend line is exactly the same. Now, look at the toolbar above your chart. Up there, you'll find various drawing tools and icons. Among them is the trend line icon. It often looks like a diagonal line. If you hover your mouse over the icons, you should see a small label appear that says trend line, or something very similar. Once you've located it, go ahead and click that trend line icon. By clicking it, you're telling MetaTrader 5 that you want to draw a line directly on the chart. After selecting the trend line tool, move your mouse cursor down to the chart area. Now you're ready to actually draw the line. Click once on the chart where you want your trend line to begin. Typically, traders start at a significant high or low point, depending on whether they're drawing a downward or upward trend line. For example, for an uptrend, you might start at a low point where price began to move higher. Hold down your mouse button and drag the cursor to the point where you want the trend line to end. You'll see the line stretch across the chart as you move your mouse. Try to connect at least 2 important highs or 2 important lows to define the trend clearly. When you're happy with the placement, release the mouse button. Your trend line is now set on the chart. If you need to adjust it afterward, simply click on the line to select it and drag the endpoints to fine-tune it. This helps you line it up more accurately with the price points you want to connect. And that's it. By clicking the trend line icon above and then clicking and dragging on the chart, you've successfully drawn a trend line in MetaTrader 5.